one of the grandest parade ever. We always have one of the best parade outside India, celebrating India's independence. We are all thrilled to be part of it, and we're looking forward to another great year for Federation of Indians. Jai Hind.
Thank you. General New York. Sir, how do you feel about this grand celebration? You see so many people supporting this from different races.
You know, it's a moment here, this is being celebrated, and I see that best of India is represented here in the different floats today. So they represent Indian scientific achievement, Indian cultural achievement, Indian educational achievement, and also the achievement of Indian American community. So I'm really happy to be part of this celebration. We are all excited. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. A lot of speculations about this India's parade, and then until yesterday there was also opposition about this Ram Mandir thing. How do you see all this?
We are celebrating our India's 78th Independence Day. It's a matter of celebrating unity in diversity and inclusiveness, and that's what we are celebrating today. So there is no place for hate. We are all inclusive. Hindus, Christians, Muslims, and Sikhs all are participating today. It's a matter of pride for us.
Talk about it.
Yeah, we are excited that we are getting full support from the community, and hundreds of thousands of people are here. Listen to our Grand Marshal Sonakshi Sinha, Zahir Iqbal, and Pankaj Tripathi, and Manoj Tiwari. We have colorful and vibrant floats with Ram Mandir float, Nalanda University float. So many states and ethnic organizations are participating, so we are excited.
Shritha.
And you're from which part of New York City, or are you from India?
I'm actually from Philadelphia.
Oh, so you traveled from Philadelphia to watch this?
Yes, yeah.
How do you feel about it?
It feels exciting. We came last time once, but I'm excited to see it again this year.
Were you born here, or were you born in India?
Yeah, I was born in Philadelphia.
Nice, nice. So do you frequently visit India?
Yes, we do, to visit grandparents and family back home.
But seeing the Indian flag on the streets and all, how do you feel? What is your feeling right now?
It feels different because in America there's a lot of different people. Now here all the Indians are together, so it feels different.
Of support, even until yesterday there were few controversies going, but now everybody is united, and you see the maximum people this time.
No, absolutely. The parade every year, it celebrates India's independence. It also celebrates our spirit of unity, people coming together to celebrate all that India stands for. And that is what we see here today. Floats from different parts of India, different states of India, floats representing different communities of India coming together, and also different facets of India being represented here. We at the consulate, we are representing the technology part of India here, the technology prowess that India today is known for. We have representation of Chandrayaan on our float, the partnership between ISRO on the one hand and NASA on the other hand. Now India is part of Artemis Accord, and that is what we are representing here in New York today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
देश से ही प्यारे आँखों से सलकना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए, सिलसिला ये बात मेरे यूं ही चलना चाहिए, मैं रहूं या ना रहूं भारत ये रहना चाहिए. Purvi Patel, I'm from New Jersey, and I want to say thank you to FIA, Sri Siddhivinayak Temple, give me this opportunity to welcome the Ram Mandir. I feel very proud that the Ram Mandir, it came from Ayodhya, so it's a very proudable moment for us. And we are in New York.
Welcoming the...
Yes, so I feel very proud. Jai Hind.
సో అదండి ఇక్కడ ఏంటంటే మొత్తం రోడ్డుకి అటు సైడు ఇటు సైడు ఆ రామ్ మందిర్ ఫ్లోట్ ఎప్పుడు వస్తుందా అని చెప్పి పూలతో అందరూ నుంచున్నారు. సో దట్ దే కెన్ షవర్ ద ఫ్లవర్స్ ఆన్ రామ్ మందిర్ ఫ్లోట్. సో దిస్ ఇస్ ఉజ్వల్ రిపోర్టింగ్ ఫ్రమ్ న్యూయార్క్.